Today, we'll discuss the 5 foods and drinks that individuals over 50 should avoid. If you want to maintain good health, it's important to understand that food works like medicine. While this concept may be familiar to us, resisting the allure of tasty dishes isn't always easy. However, if you're looking for ways to safeguard your health and avoid common age-related illnesses like high blood pressure and diabetes, you should consider avoiding certain foods. In this video, we will discuss the 5 specific foods and drinks that can prove harmful to the health and vitality of individuals over the age of 50. First and foremost, let's discuss the harmful effects of soda consumption, which should be a health priority for people over 50. Soda contains a large amount of sugar, which can contribute to the development of diabetes and other health issues. Additionally, soda contains phosphoric acid, which can deplete calcium from your bones. Regular consumption of soda increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. The American Diabetes Association advises that sugar intake should be less than 10% of your total daily calories. For men, this is about 50 grams, while women should aim for around 40 grams. To put this in perspective, if your daily calorie intake is 2,000, which is normal for most individuals, more than 200 of those calories should not come from sugar. Achieving this limit is quite challenging because most people easily exceed it. Not only does soda contribute to weight gain due to its high sugar content, but it also contains artificial ingredients that can make your skin look aged and dull. Moreover, soda fails to provide proper hydration and can actually dehydrate you. If you want a healthy alternative to soda, consider drinking water with a twist of lemon or lime for a refreshing change. Alternatively, you can make your nutritious soda by mixing real fruit juice with sparkling water. Next on the list is fast food, which is harmful to individuals of all ages, but is particularly concerning for those over 50. As we age, our bodies undergo changes, and our nutritional needs change as well. There are several solid reasons why reducing fast food intake is important for individuals over 50. High calorie content. Fast food meals can easily exceed 1,000 calories. Such excessive calorie consumption can contribute to weight gain and related health issues. Saturated fat and cholesterol. Fast food contains high amounts of saturated fat and cholesterol. These components can clog arteries, leading to the development of heart disease. Excessive sodium. Fast food often contains excessive amounts of sodium, which can raise blood pressure. This is a significant risk for older adults who are already sensitive to high blood pressure. Lack of essential nutrients. Fast food typically lacks essential nutrients found abundantly in fresh fruits and vegetables, which are crucial for maintaining good health. As we age, important elements like fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants are significantly absent in fast food. The third item on the list is processed meat. If you are over 50 and want to maintain good health, you should strictly avoid processed meat. Sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats fall into this category and contain high amounts of saturated fat and sodium. Additionally, these processed meats contain nitrates added as preservatives, which are linked to an increased risk of cancer. To include protein in your diet without negative consequences, consider replacing processed meat with lean cuts of fresh meat like chicken breast or fish. Enhance your meals by including fresh vegetables, fruits, beans, and whole grains. These nutrient-rich options offer better balance. While processed meat may seem convenient due to a lack of time or for a quick meal, they often contain high amounts of sugar. This additional factor increases the likelihood of developing heart disease and diabetes. Opting for whole, unrefined foods will provide you with essential nutrients and reduce the risks associated with processed meat. Now, let's come to the fourth item: white bread and pasta. These foods have long been a staple in the American diet and are known for their versatility. Pasta finds its place in Italian cuisine, while white bread serves as the base for sandwiches, toast, croutons, French toast, garlic bread, and much more. However, it's worth considering whether these foods can affect your health as you age. White bread and pasta rank high on the glycemic index, meaning they cause a rapid rise and then a quick drop in blood sugar levels. As a result, consuming these foods can leave you feeling hungry soon after, and constant hunger is undesirable. Additionally, over time, white bread has been linked to increased cholesterol levels. Choosing whole grains like brown rice or quinoa instead of refined options like white flour proves to be a better choice. Whole grains have a lower glycemic index, meaning they don't cause significant fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Furthermore, they have a lesser impact on risk factors associated with heart disease, such as high cholesterol levels. By selecting whole grains, you can reduce the negative effects of white bread and pasta. Whole grains provide sustained energy, keep you satiated, and contribute to better heart health. Therefore, whenever making a choice, opt for nutrient-rich options that minimize glycemic impact and the likelihood of contributing to heart disease risk factors. The fifth item on the list is dairy products with added sugar. Dairy products, especially those with added sugar, are known for their high calcium and protein content, which are essential for maintaining healthy bones. However, it's important to note that many dairy products also contain added sugar. This becomes a significant health concern, especially for individuals aged 50 and above. To avoid this issue, it's crucial to carefully read the ingredient list of your dairy products. If you find any form of sugar, such as corn syrup or evaporated cane juice, it's best to avoid those options and look for alternatives without added sugar. An excellent option is unsweetened almond milk, which provides a light and creamy texture without excessive sugar content. Additionally, consider incorporating calcium-rich dark leafy vegetables like spinach or kale into your diet. These vegetables provide essential nutrients necessary for maintaining strong bones while allowing you to stay away from dairy products with added sugar. We hope this list of foods to avoid after 50 has provided you with ideas on how to make healthier dietary choices. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video. If you found it helpful, stay tuned for our next video. Goodbye.